In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of the features the system offers for managing pharmacies. The system allows you to add an unlimited number of products or services. You can do this by navigating to the Products and Services page and adding the items you need manually. Additionally, you can import a pre-prepared Excel file that contains all your products and their details. When adding any product to the system, you can choose a tracking method, such as tracking by quantity, serial number, lot number, expiry date, or by both lot number and expiry date, by enabling the sales requisition and selecting the appropriate method. Note that if you select a method like expiry date, the system will track both the expiry date and the quantity. The system also offers a low stock threshold feature. For example, if you set a minimum threshold of 5 units for a product, the system will notify you when the stock level drops to or below that amount, helping you take timely action, like placing a new order. You can view these notifications by clicking the alert icon at the top. After adding all products, you can easily define alternative products for each item. To do so, go to the Products page, click on the Alternative Products button in the top action bar, click Add, and choose the substitute product. You can delete or modify the alternatives at any time. To clarify this further, I'll go to the Sales menu and create a new invoice to demonstrate how substitute products appear during the sales process. I'll select a client, then select a product. Notice that when choosing the product, the expiry date field appears, because the product is tracked by expiry date. I'll select the expiry date from the list. Of course, you can add multiple units with different expiry dates based on what the client purchases. If I need to choose an alternative for a product on the invoice, for instance, I'll click View Alternative Products to see the available substitutes and select the appropriate one. Here, you can also see the available quantity for each item. Once selected, the alternative product is added to the invoice seamlessly. To prevent the sale of expired products, go to Sales Settings, Invoice and Estimate Settings, enable the option Stop Selling Expired Tracking Items, then click Save. Once this is enabled, if a user tries to issue an invoice for an expired product, as we see here, the system will display an error message and block the invoice from being saved. The system also allows you to add multiple warehouses to suit your business needs. You can manage stock movements between warehouses using Manage Requisition, like inbound requisition, outbound requisition, or transfer. For example, I can create a transfer requests to move products from the main warehouse to one designated for expired or damaged items. You can also permanently dispose of damaged products by issuing an outbound requisition and forwarding them to the authorized body for official destruction. Through the Product Tracking page under the Inventory menu, the system allows you to monitor product stock based on the tracking method selected during product setup. For example, I'll view all products tracked by expiry date. You can clearly see the expiry date of each product lot, along with the status indicating the remaining time until each expires. From the top, I can filter by available, unavailable, or all products. You can also check product availability status through the Products and Services page by using the status filter and clicking Search, for example, to view only low stock items. This prepares you to begin creating stock requests to restock low or out-of-stock items. To do that, go to the Stock Requests page and click Add Stock Request from the top. This page also displays all created stock requests, along with their statuses. Users with proper permissions can approve or reject the request. Once approved, it is converted into a requisition to add the new quantity to the warehouse. The system also provides effective management of your pharmacy's insurance company contracts. Using the Insurance Agency module, you can add insurance companies, their service packages, and set discount percent and max copayment dollars that each company or customer is responsible for regarding product or service prices. I've previously added a few insurance companies. Viewing the details of one, you can see the insurance categories and their respective coverage rates or discounts applied to each product category. So, when issuing an invoice for a client whose profile is linked to an insurance company and category, the system automatically applies the correct coverage or discount settings. As seen here, this section shows what the insurance company covers, what the customer pays, and the total product price. After issuing the invoice, the journal entry will look like this. The insurance company's share appears on the debit side, along with the client's share, and the total invoice amount on the credit side under Sales. You can view a client's account statement anytime by navigating to Manage Client, selecting the client's profile, and clicking Statement to view all invoices, payments, and outstanding balances. From the action bar within the client profile, you can also create a new invoice, schedule an appointment, add notes, or issue a quote, among other actions. With these features, the system offers a complete, efficient, and professional solution for managing your pharmacy business.